Are you tired of spending hours and hours training without seeing results? Would you like to know how to maximize your performance by dedicating just 30 minutes a day? Get ready to discover the secret of top runners. In this video, we'll show you how to optimize your training routine, improve your endurance, and achieve your running goals from 5K to marathon. You don't need to be an expert or spend all day running to see impressive results. Ready to transform your training and take your performance to the next level? Let's get started. Ever wondered why some runners achieve great results with just 30 minutes of training a day? The answer lies in the science of training time. By using techniques like high-intensity interval training, HIIT, you can maximize your results in less time. High-intensity intervals alternated with rest periods boost your oxygen consumption and speed up your metabolism, allowing your body to keep burning calories even after your workout is done. Plus, these workouts enhance muscle endurance and cardiovascular efficiency, all in short but powerful sessions. And what about the mind? This is where the psychological benefit comes in. Training for just 30 minutes a day is much more manageable and less overwhelming than long training sessions. This helps maintain a positive mindset and reduces the risk of burnout and quitting. With the right strategy, those 30 minutes a day can transform your performance and help you reach your running goals effectively and efficiently. Less is more when it comes to smart training. Training routine for 5K. Looking to improve your 5K time or run your first race? With just 30 minutes a day, you can achieve your goals. Start with 5 minutes of light warm-up to prepare your muscles. Then, move on to 20 minutes of high-intensity intervals. Run at your maximum effort for 1 minute, then recover by jogging lightly for another minute. These intervals not only improve your speed, but also increase your cardiovascular endurance in a short time. Finish with 5 minutes of cool down to help your muscles recover. This routine is perfect for maximizing your 5K performance without long training sessions. Besides interval training, it's important to include a day of strength training in your weekly routine. Spend 30 minutes on exercises like squats, lunges, and planks. Strengthening your muscles will not only enhance your running performance, but also help prevent injuries. Training routine for 10K. If you're preparing for a 10K, a 45-minute daily routine is ideal. Start with 10 minutes of warm-up to activate your muscles and improve mobility. Then, do a continuous run for 25 minutes at a pace where you can hold a conversation but still feel challenged. You can incorporate fartlek to alternate between faster and slower paces, which will help develop both speed and endurance. Finish with 10 minutes of cool down, focusing on stretching the main muscle groups. To complement your routine, include at least 1 day of strength training each week. Spend 45 minutes on exercises like squats, deadlifts, lunges, and core exercises. A strong core is crucial for maintaining good posture and preventing injuries during longer runs. It's also important to include a speed training session once a week. For example, do 200-meter sprints followed by 200 meters of recovery jogging, repeating this cycle for 45 minutes. This will improve your anaerobic capacity and make you faster. This routine will prepare you to run a 10K with confidence and strength. Training routine for half marathon and marathon. Are you ready for the ultimate challenge? Running a half marathon or a full marathon requires dedication, but with the right routine, you can do it. Here's an effective routine of 60 to 90 minutes a day. Start with a proper warm-up. Spend 15 minutes on light jogging and dynamic mobility exercises. Include jumps, dynamic stretches, and running drills like skipping and butt kicks. This prepares your body for prolonged effort and reduces the risk of injury. The core of your training will be a continuous run at a conversational pace. For a half marathon, maintain this pace for 40 to 60 minutes. For a full marathon, extend this period to 60 to 75 minutes, gradually increasing the duration as you approach race day. This moderate pace helps build the aerobic endurance needed for long distances. To avoid monotony and improve your stamina, include tempo runs once a week. These are sustained efforts at a pace slightly faster than your race pace, lasting 20 to 30 minutes within your continuous run. For example, after a 15-minute warm-up, run at tempo pace for 20 minutes, Then cool down with another 15 minutes of light jogging. Additionally, do a long run each week. This is a longer run than your regular continuous run and should be 90 minutes or more. The idea is to get your body and mind used to being in motion for long periods. Gradually increase the distance each week, but make sure not to increase by more than 10% of the previous week's total distance to avoid injuries. Don't forget to include strength training sessions twice a week. Spend 45 minutes on exercises that strengthen your entire body, such as squats, lunges, deadlifts, and core exercises. A strong core is essential for maintaining good posture during long runs and preventing fatigue. Recovery is crucial at this stage of your training. Dedicate at least one full day a week to complete rest and another to light activity, such as yoga, Pilates, or swimming. These active recovery days allow your muscles to repair and strengthen, improving your overall performance. It's also important to do speed training once a week. Perform intervals of 400 to 800 meters at a fast pace, with 400-meter jogs in between each one. This improves your anaerobic capacity and makes you more efficient. Finally, ensure you have proper nutrition and stay well hydrated. During long runs, practice your race day nutrition and hydration strategy. Learn how your body responds to different foods and drinks to avoid surprises. So follow this routine, keep your motivation high, and get ready to conquer your half marathon or marathon. Your goal is closer than you think. Do you think non-stop training will make you a better runner? Think again. Rest and recovery are just as important as the workouts themselves, and here's why. First, let's talk about physical rest. During training, your muscles experience small tears and stress. It's during rest that they repair and strengthen. If you don't allow this to happen, you increase the risk of injury and decrease your performance. Studies have shown that runners who include rest days in their routine are less likely to get injured and see faster improvements in their performance. Sleep is another crucial component of recovery. During deep sleep, your body releases hormones that promote muscle repair and tissue regeneration. Plus, sleep helps consolidate muscle memory, which is essential for improving running technique. Aim to get 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to maximize these benefits. Proper nutrition also plays a vital role in recovery. Consuming a mix of protein and carbohydrates after workouts helps repair muscles and replenish glycogen stores. Don't forget to stay well hydrated. Water is key for nutrient transport and toxin elimination in the body. In addition to passive rest, active recovery can be very beneficial. Light activities like walking, yoga, or swimming help improve blood circulation, speeding up muscle recovery without adding significant stress to the body. These activities also help reduce stiffness and improve flexibility. Massages and compression therapy are excellent recovery tools. Massages can relieve muscle tension and improve circulation, while compression therapy can reduce inflammation and speed up recovery. Using foam rollers is also an effective and cost-efficient way to self-massage and release tension points. Planning rest days into your weekly routine is essential. Make sure you have at least one complete rest day each week where you don't engage in any intense physical activity. This will allow your body to fully recover and prepare you better for your next workouts. Finally, pay attention to your body's signals. If you feel persistent pain or extreme fatigue, it could be a sign that you need more rest. Listening to your body and adjusting your routine accordingly will help you avoid burnout and long-term injuries. Remember, rest is not a luxury. It's a necessity. Incorporating rest and recovery into your training plan will help you stay healthy, improve your performance, and reach your long-term running goals. So don't underestimate the power of rest. Your body and mind will thank you, and you'll be rewarded with better times, fewer injuries, and a much more enjoyable running experience. Train smart, rest well, and keep moving forward with renewed strength and energy. Remember, with the right routine and a smart approach, you can achieve any running goal you set your mind to. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share it with other runners who could benefit. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming tips and workouts. See you in the next video, and remember, Success in running starts with one step. Let's go for it.